How can I be tall? Like bro, how can I be tall?
Kunalo bengimshela athi yena ufuna ukukukwa. Look at me bro.
How?
Look at
You have an ish.
whatever you call this, it's fine.
And that
Whatever you call this, it's fine. Whatever you call this, it's fine.
Hey,
Mr. Soap.
You're the last dog to bag my name.
ngikhumbula lo mthida lo bani lo mthida TikTok bekanganazandla ne
Ubani?
aposta ama video but
No, chicken.
What the fuck?
No, it's athletics. No, muno kanje. Yo, fuck bayihlasela le ntwana. Nosicela nje yama our friend usicela bambizi
Penguin.
Shout out to Penguin, man.
Shout out to
And
Penguin,
he owned
man.
up to the name because he ended up
Yeah,
taking.
but right.
Yeah, from Skylo.
Bro.
Never jackets wapa le penguin.
There's a friend of ours, which is Uscelo. So Uscelo is someone that is proudly disabled. You know that guy, I give him every credit out there. That guy is not ashamed of anything. That guy is not ashamed of anything, but faith. That guy.
Definitely,
Shout out to
bro. Shout out to
Stelo.
Stylo, man.
And then he wanted to post himself.